Hello everybody, my name is Bao and today I'm going to tell you about the solar system. Introduction: the solar system is our home in space. It's special to us because it's where we live. Let's take an imaginary flight through the solar system. We'll start at the center with the sun. As we move away from the sun, we pass many planets. One of the planets is our own world. Earth and the others circle the sun. Flying abroad, let's begin the journey. The sun is one of the main stars in space. Stars are huge, fiery balls of gas. The sun is made mostly of gas called hydrogen. The sun looks big and bright because it's very close to us. Other stars are much farther far away. That's why they're just floats back to white. Atoms of the hydrogen in the center of the sun are forced together. They turn into a gas called helium. This process gives off the huge amounts of energy. It causes the sun to be hot and bright. The sun's huge size gives it a very strong gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects together. Gravity keeps the planets orbiting the sun. Whoa. Planets. Our trip through the solar system will take us by 8 planets. Scientists place the planets into 2 groups. There are the terrestrials and the gas giants. The inner planets, or the terrestrial ones. The first one we see is Mercury, the small planet covered with moon, with craters, like moon, like our moon. And like the moon, it has no air. Sorry, my mother is cooking. On Mercury, the sun was 3 times larger than the dust to Earth. When the sun is overhead on Mercury, the temperature rises about 430 degrees Celsius. Whoa. At sunset, it drops down to 170 degrees Celsius. That's cool. The next one is Venus. It's the brightest object in the sky, except for the sun and the moon. Venus has thick clouds that trap heat from the sun. The temperature is about 470 degrees Celsius. The planet has many volcanoes, almost all of it was lava. Okay, this one 430, this 470. Wow. The third was very familiar. It is the Earth. We think it is the only planet in our solar system with life and was a liquid water. Well, you think it wrong. In the future, you'll be wrong. Next one was Mars. Earth lies in a part of our solar system where liquid waters can exist. I forgot the name though. Oh, the Goldilocks zone. Yes. This made it possible for life to develop. The air of our planet is 1/5 oxygen. Oxygen is produced by the plants on Earth. The next one is Mars. This planet is has a reddish color and nearly any air. It still has a small atmosphere. The red color is caused by rust and rocks. It's cold on Mars. Scientists have learned that Mars has ice at its poles. Mars probably has oceans and rivers. Sorry. Our surface long ago. Today, salty water flows in some areas during the warmer months. Mars often has big dust storms. The planet has the biggest volcano in the solar system. Yes. Between Mars and Jupiter are a large area full of asteroids. This area is called the asteroid belt. Asteroids are rocks over from where the solar system was born. Some of them are small boulders, others are huge. There are millions of them. The largest object in the asteroid belt is Sirius. It's about 940 kilometers wide. Okay, the Yucatan Peninsula. Yeah. Gas giants. Next, we'll visit the 4 gas giants. The air of the gas giant is poisonous. The first one, usually, is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It may have a large ice center under all gases. Jupiter's air is a large planet. They're caused by strong winds. The air contains a huge spinning storm you see in here. There. It's called the Great Red Spot, but it doesn't look so big. But yeah, it's big as Earth. The next one is Saturn. It's famous for its rings. Like Jupiter, Saturn has the Earth is divided by into bands. They're caused by very fast winds. Here, you see the top is where it has large storms. Saturn's rings reach far into space. The rings are made of rocks and ice. Scientists think they are remains of comets and other planets that are broken by them. Uranus is the next planet we come to. Its name pronounced either Uranus or Uranus. Yeah, forget. Yeah, those who joke are said Uranus. Yeah, I didn't know. Uranus is a big blue-green planet. It gets its color from gas called methane. Sunlight reflects through the gas. The white that is methane lets into its blue-green. Under the gases, Uranus has a icy center. Look up what's the name? That's Neptune, the last planet on the trip. Neptune has a bluish color, but it's brighter than Uranus. Scientists think Neptune's color is also colored by methane, but they don't know why it's so bright. Yes. Neptune has an icy center. The planet is so far away that it almost gets no more heat. This is the great blue spot. It was also, yeah. Wait. Oops. What a period of revolution, 164.8 Earth years. Whoa. Dwarf planets. We are not the end of the journey yet. We now see small objects. In 2006, astronomers decided that Pluto was too small to be a planet. They say Pluto and the other small planets that were now called dwarf planets. These other dwarf planets are a long way Pluto, so astronomers decided to call them Plutoids. Plutoids orbit the sun in a distant part of the solar system. Its area is full of icy objects. As astronomers think they'll find more Plutoids here. In 2006, there are 4 known Plutoids. 2 of them Pluto and one dwarf and a dwarf planet called Eris. The other two are named Migmic, and Haumea. Not all dwarf planets are Plutoids. To be a Plutoid, a dwarf planet must orbit beyond Neptune. Here's a dwarf planet which is not a Plutoid. That's because it's over the what's going on there? Oh, the asteroid belt. Moons. Many planets we pass have moons. The moon is an object that orbits the planet, like a satellite. The moon that known best is our own moon. It's one of the largest moons in the solar system, but it's not so large. Scientists think our moon was created billions of years ago. They think a huge object, which I know, Theia, object named Theia, just crashed into Earth and the debris formed around it, and it created our moon. The largest moon in our solar system is Ganymede. It's one of Jupiter's moon. Ganymede was large as Mercury, Saturn has a big moon named Titan, its second largest moon. Titan is covered by thick orange clouds. Astronomers use a special spacecraft to probe Titan's surface. Yeah, Titan's surface was crazy though. It looked like a bit like it was the only known moon to have liquid water besides one of Jupiter's own moons. I forgot its name though. Comets. Comets are beautiful white objects with a tail. They move slowly across the sky. A comet is made of ice, frozen gas, rocks, and dust. When a comet moves close to the sun, it gets warmer. The sun pushes the materials away from the comet and melts the ice. That's why it forms a tail. A comet has 2 tails, Look at the picture. It has one blue and one, maybe a what it's called. That's why it forms a tail. When a comet gets far from the sun, its tails fade away. Most comets come from the Kuiper belt. Others come from much farther away. The conveyor belt was where pool toys were. Conclusion. We take a quick trip through the solar system. On our trip, you see like this. Now you know how the sun is white and you'll see the moon or Venus. You know more about them. Our solar system is full of wonders. You can see them with yourself with a backyard telescope. I have a normal telescope. It was a backyard one. Sorry. Think about what lies beyond the solar system. Goodbye.
Upload itu kadang-kadang